Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
So you can continue with what we are discussing in the morning session. Morning session, we are discussing counting principle of counting. Okay, principle of counting. So now we are going to learn the next topic, that is factorial. Factorial. Write the heading, factorial. Okay, factorial. Factorial can be defined for positive integer. Okay, factorial of a positive integer. Okay, factorial of a natural number or positive integer n. Okay, the notation we'll be using is, look at the notation, children. N, after that, following n, we will write one exclamatory symbol. Or in some books, you can see like this, n, factorial n, small letter n, not capital letter. Okay, and we read it as factorial, n factorial. Okay, what is factorial? Okay, the symbol we use is, after writing the number, we write the exclamatory symbol, or we write with, okay, usually we do for divisions and all, we use this L. Okay, within that one, we write n, factorial. Okay, we can. Okay, what is factorial? How is it defined? Factorial is defined as the product of first n natural numbers. It is defined as the product of first n natural numbers. Factorial is defined as the product of first n natural numbers. Okay, it is defined as the product of first n natural numbers. N factorial is product of first n natural numbers. For example, if you take n factorial, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. up to into n. If you multiply the first n natural numbers, it is n factorial. Okay, if you multiply the first n natural numbers, it will give the n factorial. For example, what will be 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3. Product of first 3 natural numbers. So which is 6. What will be 4 factorial? What will be 4
1 into 2
factorial?
into 3 into 4.
Yes, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And it is 4 factorial. It is defined as the product of first 4 numbers. First 4 natural numbers. Okay. Here, this year, we learn only for factorial for positive integers. We are not learning for negative and all. We can find it for negative. We'll be learning it for the, okay, all these things when you go for higher states. This year, we learn only for positive numbers, positive integers, how to find the factorial. Okay. So 1 factorial, what will be 1 factorial? It is 1. Okay. And it is defined as, okay, listen children, it is defined 0 factorial as 1. For doing the calculations and all, we go on reducing till we reach 0, isn't it? Suppose it is 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. And what do you, okay, 3 into 2 into 1, where we will stop with 1. But 0 factorial, when we do the calculations and all, when we need subtractions, when we subtract something and all, if we get 0 factorial, we will write 0 factorial as 1. Okay, it is defined. It is defined 0 factorial as 1. 0 factorial is defined as 1. And 1 factorial, by definition, it is a product of first 1 natural number, so which is 1. 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And what is 4 factorial? What is the value of 4 factorial?
24.
24. Is 24. Okay. So what is factorial? Factorial is the product of first n natural numbers. It is the product of first n natural numbers. Okay. Now listen. Listen, children. Suppose it is 5 factorial. 5 factorial, we can write this as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So that means we can write 5 factorial as 4 factorial into 5. Is it correct? Is it correct? 5 factorial, we can write this as the previous numbers factorial into 5. Okay. So some same way, how will you write 6 factorial?
5 factorial into 6.
Now we can write this as 5 factorial into 6. So in general, what will be n factorial?
N minus 1 factorial into 1.
N minus 1 factorial into n. N factorial, we can write this as n minus 1 factorial into n. N factorial can be defined as n minus 1 factorial into n. Okay, so n factorial is n minus 1 factorial into n. Okay, so now at least up to 5 factorial we have to learn by heart. Okay, you should be thorough with up to 5 factorial. So you write down up to these values. Okay, what 0 factorial is 1. What will be 1 factorial? That is also 1. Write down what are the values for 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, and 5 factorial. At least learn up to these values thorough. What will be 2 factorial?
2.
1 into 2, which is 2. 3 factorial will be 1 into 2 into 3, which is 6. 4 factorial will be 24. And what about 5 factorial?
120.
24 into 5, which is 120. This 24 into 5, which is 120. Okay, so now based on this, we can do some problems. So these are all 1 mark questions. The questions which we are going to do now are all 1 mark questions. Write the question. Find the value of 9 factorial by 6 factorial. Find the value of 9 factorial by 6 factorial. How to do this? What is meant by 9 factorial? 9 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 by 6 factorial means product of first 6 numbers. So we can write this as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So all these numbers will get cancelled. So answer will be 7 into 8 into 9. What is the answer?
504.
504.
4.
Is it correct, children? Is it okay? John Jos? Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen, instead of writing this, how we are going to do this? Okay, there's one other way we are going to learn. Another way means the method is same, but we want to reduce the steps. How we can reduce the steps? We have 9 factorial by 6 factorial. Now look at the numbers given here. First one is 9, second one is 6. Among these two numbers, which is the bigger one?
9.
9. So what we are going to do is, we are going to express the bigger number in terms of smaller number. Whenever we are asked to do some calculations like this, you look at the numbers with the factorials. Okay, you'll check which is the bigger one, which is the smaller one. Express the bigger number as the product of smaller number. Okay, so among these two numbers, which is the bigger one? 9 factorial, isn't it? So 9 factorial, how we can write? 9 factorial, we can write this as, okay, 6 factorial into 7 into 8 into 9. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct, Niranjan? 6 factorial, we can write this as, 9 factorial, we can write this as, if you feel this is difficult, you can write in the reverse order also. 9 into 8 into 7 and 1 to 6, we can write this as 6 factorial by 6 factorial. Now this 6 factorial will get cancelled. Answer will be same. Answer is same. But instead of writing the numbers, okay, suppose we get 100 factorial by 52 factorial. Is it possible to write 1 into 2 into etc. up to 100? Okay, suppose the question is 100 factorial by 98 factorial. Is it possible to write 100 into etc.? No. Okay. If we have time, we can sit and write. But while doing calculations, what we will do? We want to find the easy way. So whenever we are given like this, what you can do, which is bigger? You compare these two numbers. You check which is the bigger one. So the bigger one we'll be writing in terms of smaller one. So we are given with 100 factorial and 98 factorial. So 100 factorial, how we can write? 100 into 99 into 98 factorial by 98 factorial. Now these two factorial will get cancelled. So it will be same as 100 into 99. What is the answer? 9900. Is it clear? Is it okay, children? So whenever we are given with the numbers, you compare the numbers and try to express the bigger one in terms of smaller one so that we can reduce the calculations. Okay. Instead of doing big calculations, we can do the calculations in minimum number of steps. Is it okay? Up to this, what you have learned, is it clear? Children, copy up to this. Copy these questions. Is it okay, Alantina?
Yes,
Jyoti?
yes, ma'am.
If it is very small number, we can calculate it easily. If the numbers are big, we always do this way. What we will do? We will express the bigger number in terms of smaller number. Express the bigger number in terms of smaller number. Okay. Now do the next one. Calculate and give the answer. 7 factorial by 5 factorial. 7 factorial by 5 factorial. What is the answer? Seven factorial by 5 factorial. Tom Sebastian. 42. Is it correct, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 42, isn't it? 7 factorial, we can write this as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Denominator also we have 5 factorial. That 2 will get cancelled, you'll get the answer. Now write the next one. Next one. Okay, do these questions. First one. 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Second one. 7 factorial minus 5 factorial. Third one. Do these questions. Solve this. See, from factorial part, you will get for 1 mark question. Okay. If it is asked, all these are 1 mark questions. Okay, Navaneet, give the answer for the first one, Navaneet. What is the answer? Navaneet?
I'm doing.
Doing, okay. Sanjana, give the answer for the first one, Sanjana. Yes, Sanjana, I think we can't hear. I'm not able to hear anything yet. Sanjana, once again, repeat it. Yes, Navaneet, are you ready? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
First one. First one. Give the answer.
No, I am not ready, ma'am.
You tell
Still
me.
doing.
Still doing first one. For doing first one, how will you do this? Which is bigger one? 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. So which is bigger one?
Denominator.
Which one? 9 factorial, isn't it? So 9 factorial, how we can write? Look at the denominator. In the denominator, we have 6 factorial and 3 factorial. So we can write 9 factorial as Yes, Malavika. Tell me, Malavika. 9 factorial. How will you evaluate 9 factorial? We can write this as 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Now 6 factorial will get cancelled. So it is 9 into 8 into 7 by, here you expand 3 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3. Now simplify this, and what is the final answer? Only this much only you have to do. 84. What about the next one? 7 factorial minus 5 factorial. Alan Joffe? Alan Joffe?
I'm doing.
Doing. How we are doing that? Give me the steps. What is the step you wrote then? 7 factorial minus 5 factorial. What is the step? Are you finding 7 factorial as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 like that? How we are doing that, Alan?
Small doubt.
Yes, tell me, what's your doubt? Yes, what's your doubt?
I'm doing the question.
Okay, I'll wait, do it and give the answer. What about the others? Finished? Rahul? Naurin?
Yes, ma'am.
What about G's? G's? Please turn on your video, children. All of you turn on your video.
Ma'am, I have some network issues.
Okay. What about Anne Mary? Vinayak? Yes. Turn on. Yes, Atulya? Yes.
I said 9 factorial minus 4 factorial.
Is it minus? Okay. Anyhow, what you have,
Divided by.
at least
Divided
partly
by.
correct. Yes, it is divided by. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Look at here. From 5 only we have the numbers. So which are the numbers missing there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you can do? We multiply with that missing numbers and divide with that number. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So we can write this as 9 factorial by 4 factorial. We have, again, the question it is the number starts from 5 onwards. 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. So we multiply by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Likewise, the denominator also we multiply by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. We simplify and we write the answer. Right, the second one, let me check who is coming, who will be giving the answer. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10 into 12, right, in factorial form. Right, as factorials. Okay, some factorial notation you should use. In this question, along with factorial, you will get some other numbers also. Highly writes. Two into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10 into 12. Yes. Anashwarya, can you try this? Anashwarya. Yes, Anashwarya. Factorial means we don't want 2 and all, isn't it? We want the continuous numbers. Check it, how we can write as continuous numbers.
N plus 2 and n into n plus 2
No,
into
no. N into, okay, we want 1 into, isn't it? 2 into, 3 into, 4 into, 5 in this form we want. Any other idea? Yes? Others? Yes, John Philip.
I mean, it goes like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and then divided by 1 into 3 into 7, 5 into 7. No idea, to be honest.
Okay. So you multiply and divide by this numbers. 1 into odd numbers you multiply. So denominator, okay, that is one way. Okay, then. So you are writing like this.
12 is 120. So 5 factorial. Like that.
5 factorial. 2 into, 1 second. Okay, John, what you are giving is it is okay. That is one way you can write. Then. So what John said is you multiply. Okay, the missing numbers you multiply and divide. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 by 1 into 2 into 3 into. So numerator you can write it as factorial. Denominator you will get some number. Okay. Okay, that is okay. Atulya, tell me Atulya, what is the answer? What is your answer?
When I did 10 into 12 is 120. 5 factorial. And 4 into 6 is 24. That is 4 factorial. Into 8 into 2, adding it.
Then I'm not getting the expected answer. Yes, Meherin. Aditya.
I got adding it.
Yes, Meherin, yes.
And then I got, as John said, same answer.
Oh, who said? As John. Okay, then any other answer? Anaga? No. Niranjan?
12 factorial by 11 factorial by 10 factorial.
12 factorial. There is 12 and all is not there.
And 12 is there.
12 is there. Okay. Then, so 12 factorial, 11 factorial. How? Yes. Okay. Listen. 2, shall I write like this? 1 into 2. 4, how you can write? Is it 2 into 2? 3, how you can write? 6, you can write this as 3 into 2. 4 into 2. 5 into 2. So it is
16
same
into
as
12.
12.
I mean
12 is
12.
10 into 12 is there. Okay, then 6 into 2. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we take 2 raised to 6? 6 times is there. Now take the remaining numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So which is 2 raised to 6 into 6 factorial. It is 2 raised to 6 into 6 factorial. Is it okay? Okay. Same way, like this, the questions will be asked 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 into 15. Means these are multiples of 3. Is that no? If you take the multiple of 3 outside, you will be getting us, you can write it in the form of factorial. Okay, each number if you take, it is a continuous multiple of 3. Here, if you take the numbers, they are continuous multiples of 2. Okay? Okay, children, we can discuss about this. Okay, more about this in the next class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.